Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your account for Kaikas wallet. So let's get started. First of all, tap open Kaikas application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From the settings interface, tap on reset app at the bottom. But before resetting your app, first of all, make sure that you've backed up your recovery phrases or your private key. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and tap on the check the secret phrase option and enter your 6-digit PIN code in order to reveal your secret phrases. After you've backed up your secret recovery phrases, make sure to keep your secret recovery phrases in a piece of a paper and store it somewhere safe. Or you can also copy and paste it in a secure folder. After you've backed up your recovery phrases, you can tap on the reset app button at the bottom and type in confirm in the text box. Tap on OK after you are done, and you have now successfully deleted your account. You can get back to your account if you want in the future by simply entering your recovery phrases and recovering your wallet. So that's all for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.